Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Another cloudy day today, but we should remain drier than we have been for yesterday. We did see just under an inch of rain throughout the day yesterday, but today is looking to be more dry than yesterday with a chance of a few scattered showers moving through the area. It will be rather light if they do move through. But otherwise, we'll be dealing with these low clouds as we go throughout the day today. Ceilings right now sitting around 1,000 feet. We do have chance of seeing those ceilings rise maybe above 2,000 feet as we get into the afternoon hours. Otherwise, remaining cloudy and temperature won't be moving much with those low clouds in the area. We do have some breezy conditions with the onshore flow. Right now, seeing winds around 14 to 18 knots, with a few gusts up to 23 knots. So we're sitting just below the wind advisory criteria, but we have a good chance of seeing those winds tick up a bit as we go throughout the day. So decent chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go throughout the morning. Otherwise, if we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have that low pressure that's just to our southeast and a rather stationary boundary also to our south. It's kind of responsible for keeping those slight chance of showers moving through the area as we have some troughiness in the area from this low pressure system. That will be lifting north along with that boundary as we go into our Thursday and early Friday as this system comes together off to the west as we have a upper level trough digging in, and we'll likely see that trough close off into a cutoff low and move eastward, and ahead of that trough we'll see this low pressure and boundary start to lift north, and we'll see another chance for some rain showers and a decent chance for some thunderstorms as we go into Friday evening as that cold front and trough starts to move into our area. If we take a look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have those east-northeasterly winds near the surface in the lowest 6,000 feet. Fairly breezy near closest to the surface, around 26, 20 knots. Lightening up a bit around 5 to 6 knots from 6 to 12,000 feet, and then picking up a little bit more as we go above 15,000 feet, with the winds becoming more northwest to westerly, with a wind of 24 knots around 25,000 feet. Freezing level is at 13,800 feet. Quick look at the local radar. Not much to talk about here at the moment. Still keep an eye on a few of those light sprinkles or showers to move through the area throughout the day. A slightly better chance of seeing that as we go through the overnight hours, but we'll keep that slight chance as we go through Thursday as well, before those chances start to diminish. If we take a look at the current visible satellite, we see those low clouds are locked into the area pretty well. Again, we could see the lowest layer break up a little bit more, but still keeping some low clouds in the area, and should remain cloudy as we go throughout the day. And we'll see those ceilings lower a bit as we go throughout the evening. And again, we'll see that low cloud stick around in the area as we go throughout our day tomorrow as well. Looking at the short-term HER model, looking at composite reflectivity and cloud cover, again we'll see the indication of seeing a few sprinkles or light showers continuing throughout the area today, and then as we get into the overnight hour, we'll start to see some slow movement of that boundary and area of low pressure, slowly eroding the kind of wedge of cold air that we've had built into the region. And as that starts to lift northward, it brings us a slightly better chance of seeing a few scattered showers in the area, and that will continue with a slight chance of seeing some showers through the area on Thursday. And again, those clouds continue to stick around. We'll see some breakup in the clouds early on Friday, ahead of this next system, but then we'll see those conditions become again mostly cloudy to cloudy again as these showers and potential thunderstorms start to move into the area Friday evening. If we zoom out and take a look at the longer term model starting Friday, we see that upper level trough and upper level low off to the west, and the boundary that will be moving into our area, bringing us the showers and thunderstorms, starts to push through. A bit of a slower, slight difference in timing with the models, but uh, looking to be starting late Friday afternoon into the evening hours, and then really picking up in the overnight hours for Friday night and lingering around early or Saturday morning. Again, a little difference in the timing as this boundary pushed through, but we'll be contending with that cutoff low, and models tend to struggle with those. At the moment, the European is kind of opens up that low and pushes it a little bit faster out of the area, just leaving a chance of some pop-up showers on Saturday, and maybe a slight chance of some pop-up showers on Sunday as well. The GFS is a bit more wet and keeps that cutoff low kind of in the area, giving us a greater chance of seeing a few pop-up showers for the weekends. But it shouldn't be anything too significant. Likely still see plenty of sunshine with just some passing pop-up showers, depending on what happens with that cutoff low will determine our chances of seeing those pop-up showers. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we had the yellow across the board for precip today, as we do have that chance, slight chance of seeing those scattered showers moving through the area. Orange at the moment for the wind advisory, and we should see that pick up. We have the red risk as we get into the afternoon hours, as we do expect those winds to pick up to seeing a few gusts around 26 to 27 knots as we get into the afternoon. We should see those winds back off a bit, allowing the wind advisory to be canceled as we go through the overnight hours. And we'll see a slight shift in the winds to more easterly and then east-southeasterly as we get into the morning hours of Thursday. Otherwise, we also have, with these low clouds in the area, the yellow across the board for seeing some low ceilings and visibility. Looking at the next couple of days, another cloudy day for Thursday with chance of the low clouds continuing to be in the area, and we'll see again that chance of seeing some scattered light showers moving through the area. Another breezy day, but it looks like we're going to stay below the wind advisory threshold at the moment. Warmer day with a high of 72, as we'll have some southerly wind funneling into the area as that boundary starts to move north. Thursday evening, another cloudy evening, and then we'll see some of that cloud break up as we go into early morning hours of Friday, so becoming mostly cloudy. Still a chance of seeing some low clouds in the area, and then we'll have a slight chance of seeing a few scattered light showers again in the area, but with a mild low of around 64. So for Thursday and Thursday evening, we do have that yellow chance for precip and those lower ceilings and visibilities. As we get into Friday, we'll get a quick break in the action for early Friday, mostly cloudy, and then we'll see those clouds building in again. Could see some breezy conditions ahead of that front with some decent southerly winds. So we do have a yellow for seeing a wind advisory for our Friday, most likely into the afternoon hours. We'll have that boundary moving into the area, so we'll have a slight chance of some light rain early, but really increasing as we get into the late afternoon and early evening. Good chance of seeing some rain showers, and then even a chance of seeing some thunderstorms with those showers, and that chance will continue to increase as we go into the overnight hours. If we take a look at the extended forecast, again, depending on how that upper level low moves through the area, whether it moves out faster or slower, will really determine how likely we get some of these pop-up showers. But nonetheless, it's looking like we have a slight chance of seeing a few pop-up showers in the area for Saturday, maybe even some thunder and lightning with a few of those showers. Sunday, a lesser chance, but again, that will depend on if that upper level low is still lingering around in the area. Otherwise, a nice weekend temperature-wise. Temperatures in the upper 70s and lows in the lower 60s. As we get into the start of the work week, next week, Monday looks to be a nice day. Partly cloudy day with temperatures in the upper 70s, around 78, expecting for a high, and again continued low temperatures in the lower 60s. And as we get into Tuesday, another partly to mostly cloudy day with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, and should be a rather nice start to the work week after the holiday weekend. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.